Say hello. It's that time of the year. Christmas things are happening. Holiday events and gatherings are happening. And that means you gotta do your makeup. Means you gotta get ready. Means you wanna look acceptable, pretty. Pictures might be taken, etc., etc. And today I need to be getting ready for a little Christmas concert thing. This is something that my mom just told me about an hour ago. She said, oh, there's this thing down at the church. I think we should go. I don't really have an option. We're gonna be doing makeup. And I also got some new makeup in the mail and I'm really excited to try it. So this is the Glowgasm face palette. Okay. 4 skin and eye gliding highlighters. First off, look at this packaging. Gorgeous. Aww. I mean, yeah, that'll do. And how pretty is it before you use it? You don't necessarily use highlighter that often, so I'm thinking I'll be using this more on my like eyes, eyeshadow, maybe a little highlighter. Maybe this will get me into highlighter. Also, they gifted me one of these Hollywood Beauty Light Wand blushes. They're liquid blushes. You know these, you've seen these. They've been popular for a couple years now. This is a newer shade, I believe. Pinkgasm Sunset. Pinkgasm. Oh, gorgeous. Easy highlighter blush, and it's like illuminating as well. I've never owned one of these. I've always wanted to own one of these. Should we do the satisfying part on camera? Ready? Also, a whole lot of air just came out of this. This thing was plump before. Oh, okay, really excited about that. First things first, we start with a little foundation. It's a matte finish, and since I'm going to be using like some glowy stuff, I think I'm gonna even it out with a little bit of a matte foundation, just so I'm not like, you know, like I'm not trying to impress anyone. I hope I don't see anyone there that I know, but I know that I'm going to see about 100 people that I know there. And that's on living in a small town. Start out with the pump. I really like this. It might be a tad bit dark for me now, but oh well, we'll blend it out. We'll make it work. My face is so broken out right now. I'm really frustrated, but I think it's like hormones. It's getting to be that time of the month. I don't know, probably traveling. I feel like I've been trying out some new skincare products that I hope aren't the issue, but it really sucks when you buy a skincare product that's kind of expensive and then it just breaks out your face. Okay, main problem areas right now. The forehead, the chin. They're not loving me currently. Now, something I've been liking to do recently is take my concealer and put it down where I want it and kind of letting it dry before I blend it out all the way. I just think it stays better in the area if you let it dry a little bit rather than just like hurry and blend it out. I don't know if it's just this concealer or what. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. All right, for contour, I've been using the Halo Glow Beauty Wand Contour. This is the shade Fair Light. I've been really enjoying it. I do like how light it is, especially because I'm so pale right now. I don't know, I just think it blends really well. I also love contouring my nose with this, and I use my e.l.f. contour brush with it, blend it up and out. Might have got a little too much on my nose. My favorite thing to contour though is like this little portion. I don't know, I just think it's really like cool. I think if anything, I just made my nose look larger. I don't know how to do it. I really do think I just made my nose look larger. I take back everything I said about contouring my nose. Now for the exciting part. Let's use Pinkgasm in shade Sunset. Now, this is my first time. Give me a little grace, okay? Just a little. That's all I'm asking for. It is the holiday season after all. I'm gonna go, look how cute those little dots are. Oh, now that is just adorable. Remember those little bingo markers? That's what this reminds me of. And then I'm gonna blend with my fingers because that's like my blending agent of choice when it comes to blush. Already obsessed with this color. It blends really nice. Kind of got a metallic-y finish to it. Oh, I love this color. I think it's a little bit of a warmer pink, and I was missing that, I feel like, in my collection of blushes because I just bought a hot pink, like a brighter pink, but I think this is really nice for winter holiday makeup, something to kind of warm up your cheeks. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. You know what? Let's not go overboard. Should we? Very buildable. It blends extremely well. Okay, I really like that. 10 out of 10, really like that blush. I can't wait to use it every single day for the rest of my life. That is so nice. All right, I like to go in with a little Physicians Formula and really kind of warm it up a little bit more. I'm going to be staring at this blush for hours. Very curious to see how it wears over time, but as of right now, I love the glow. Not an overwhelming sparkly glow either. Like I said, it's like metallic-y. Gorgeous. Let us lay up my eyebrows. Not gonna fill it in. Don't want to overdo the eyebrows. Using Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Of course. I actually just bought a new one of these. Black Friday sale or Cyber Monday, whatever you want to call it. But I'm just like, oh, there's still a little bit more in here. It's about time to throw this thing away. But like, I just want to get as much product as possible. And it's lasted me a really long time. Like I highly, highly, highly recommend this. Now let's do eyes. This is the scariest part. I'm gonna go in with this Naked 3 palette from Urban Decay. I actually just got it on the Cyber Monday sale as well. Why aren't we talking about these anymore? Are we just like, we forgot about them? I personally have never owned one of these and I've always wanted to own one. So whenever I saw they were on sale, I was like, it's time. It's time. I'm gonna go in with this lightest shade first to lay a base down. I just feel like these are the prettiest colors and I'm all about like just a simple, gorgeous eye look. Let's go in with Limit. If you know me or you watched this channel before, I'm a liquid eyeshadow girly, but since I bought this, it's the only thing I'm using. I'm just like so curious. I'm just like wanting to be adventurous with eyeshadows again. Now I want to try Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm Face Palette. I do not want to ruin this beautiful stamped pressed palettes, but it's got to be done. For the love of makeup, we got to dive into it. I don't know. Which one do I want to go with? I think I'm going to go with this one. It's like kind of a pinky, champagne-y. Have a little bit from the top. It does say on the back that if you want more of an intense color, you should wet your brush. I don't feel like running to the sink again. This is kind of the color. I might just dab it with my finger, honestly. Yeah, that works a little bit better. Very light, nothing crazy, which I'm into, honestly. Let's use a highlighter brush, and I'm gonna go in with this white color, my cheeks. Wow. I'm not trying to blind anyone with highlighter. I feel like that's like so 2016. So this is a very light, pretty highlighter. And it's kind of like the blush in the way, like that it's metallic-y. It's not giving super sparkles, which thank goodness, you know? Can you tell? Gorgeous. It's giving a very much like a wet look, honestly. Setting spray. This is a little e.l.f. makeup mist set. Okay, now for a little mascara. Tried and true, telescopic. Topping off with Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump. Per usual. This stuff is the best. I literally don't even know what shade this is because the sticker fell off. But it's the only one in my makeup bag, so I've been using it all the time. And I love it because it's kind of a brown, beigey color. All right, there we have it. Makeup done. Easy, might I add. That took 25 minutes or something, I don't know. It'll seem like it took 2 seconds the way I added it. I overall love how this turned out. Like, I love new products, I've got to say. The Glowgasm palette, I'll rate it a solid 7 out of 10. Can't wait to use this more like on my eyes. I think it also adds a nice little glow without like it being a glittery glow. It's kind of like a wet look. And then this stuff, worth the hype. Okay, 100% worth the hype. 10 out of 10. Love this. Love this shade. It's a warm pink, nice, and like, I think it's described as like a rosy kind of color. Love this. I can't wait to use this and run out of it and repurchase it and use it again and again and again and again. Obsessed. Now I just have to do my hair and change and I'll be ready to go. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little holiday get ready with me, and subscribe, comment, say hi. I'd love to say hi back, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.